National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Essex County in northern New York, Franklin County in northern New York, southeastern St. Lawrence County in northern New York until 7:15 p.m. At 6:12 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing 1-inch diameter hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Storms extended from Dickinson to Madawaska to Tupper Lake and were moving east at 20 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to West Bangor, North Bangor, Saranacan, Paul Smiths, Malone, Rainbow Lake, Saranac Lake, Raybrook, Loon Lake, Franklin Falls, Alderbrook. This line of severe thunderstorms is also producing deadly cloud-to-ground lightning and very heavy rainfall. When you can do so safely, please report damaging winds or hail to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-863-4279 or by submitting a storm report at weather.gov/Burlington. Get to safety immediately when threatening weather approaches. Winds may knock down trees and power lines and damage buildings. Large hail may cause injury and damage property. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Monday evening for northern New York. Here are the 6 p.m. observations.